back to another episode with Buzz Beauty. My name is Olateji. If you're new and if you've been coming along, thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for staying. I appreciate you all. Yeah, it's the festive season and today I've got something really nice. So I'm going to be doing a hair review from Hergivenhair. Yeah, it's a drum roll. Do you want to know? Yeah, it's a glueless wig. So a wig that you don't even have to glue, that you don't have to sew, and you know, that life made easy. That's what the wig is called. So let's get into the video without wasting any time. So yes, this is a headband wig from Hergivenhair. So let's open it. I like the wrap. First of all, it says Christmas. Yeah, Merry Christmas. So this is one of my Black Friday purchase. I've got some other things, but I'm gonna use this wig first. So let's get to business. Given and it says be yourself, be given, love yourself. Okay. Oh, I've got a gift. Yay. Oh, this is really nice. So cute. I like it. So when I got the wig, I bought some headbands as well. So this is the wig. I've got some wig combs in there, you know, if I need it. And I've got the scalps. Yeah, I'm so excited about this wig. Like, I've seen so much review about it. At first I thought I would turn one of my wigs that I have into the headband wig, but I've just been too busy. I can't be bothered, so I thought, right, let's just buy it. So I've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. I love the prints. Yes. So let's bring out the wig. Got the description. So it's machine made weft. It is 12 inches, 160 grams. It's a 3C 4A hair. My hair is actually 3. Sometimes I feel like my hair is 4C actually. My hair is like really kinky. So yes, it's natural color and it's size. There was different size of cap. I chose medium just to be on the safe side. I didn't want to choose small and then it will be too small, too tight. So yes, this is what we have. So it's got the band there with strap. That's really good. So at least even if it's big, I can make it really small. The smell is not bad. It just smells like normal, natural, you know, real new hair that you buy. At first I thought it was from UK, but no, I think it's from China, but I don't know. Yeah, I think it's from China. It comes from the messages that I received. So this is what the hair looks like. I didn't want something too long, so let's take out this. I've laid my edges with my edge control, my black edge control. So we're going to put this on. It's got wig combs in there, so I'm guessing the extra one is just in case you need it. And yes, this is what we have. I'm going to strap it at the back like so. Yeah, at first I was feeling, oh my god, I should have chosen a small one, but with a strap I can make it even much more tight. I will like it. I'm gonna put the comb into the strap like that, take out my ears and push it back. I actually like it. The wig comb is gone into my hair. Yeah, but there we go. Yeah, this is really nice. At first I was thinking, oh, I should have taken a bigger size, but I actually like it. It's very light. Like, yeah, it's really light. Like, I actually like it. You can see my edges all laid for the gods. Yeah, this is something that I feel like I'm going to be using regularly. Like, you know, I can just put it on, tie the scarf, tie the band. I don't even need to use a different scarf or any, you know, new band, but this is just so easy to use. If you're the lazy type like myself, now I wouldn't say I'm lazy, but sometimes I can't be bothered. If you're the type that can't be bothered like me, then this is definitely a win-win for you. Yes, I think if you choose a longer size, it was a bit expensive. I won't say expensive, it depends on what you want. I'll check the price of this and put it, you know, up there somewhere. I really cannot remember what I paid, but it was part of the Black Friday sales. I think I got $50 off or something like that. So yes, let's try one of the extra bands that I got. Well, when I chose the band, I actually thought it was one of the ones that would have a knot at the top there, but it doesn't have it. So I'm guessing I have to create it for myself. I like this color. I like every color anyway, so. All right. Oh, okay. I thought it was a scarf, but no, it's not. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Yeah, so now I have to figure out how to tie it, if I can. So to make that knot at the top there, I can't really think of how to do it. I wanted to you know, do this thing with you guys here, but yeah, let's put it on first. Let's see what it looks like. I guess you can just do it, you know, different. You can do it differently however you want it, but so I'm gonna fold it into two so I'm not having the edges, you know. Obviously you don't want the band to show, so yeah, you can have it like this. I like to cover my ears, so it'll probably be like this most of the time. Yeah, that's, you know, take it off. That's really, I don't know if it's my makeup or the hair. Like, I'm just feeling myself. I've not actually done makeup in like 2 weeks before this video, so I've been looking after my skin, and I'm going to tell you guys what I've been using recently because I love it. So yes, it's about this wig for now. So yes, I've got this style. I can decide to actually make it into a proper eye bun. So I'm just gonna keep pushing this until it gives me what I want. Push it at the back as well. Pink. Yeah, I've not done the cap properly, the scarf properly, but it would have been nice if it was longer. But yeah, I like it like this because then it just looks like my hair, and I've just packed it into a bun. I like this one. Yay. And if I want it to, you know, just come down the way it was, I can make layers. You know, I do gilly, so I'm sure I'll be making layers with this. And if I want, I can use this as well. Yes. So yes, I like this wig. It's actually very easy to use. You can decide to, I think if it was longer, then you can have it, even the fact that it's short, you can still have it half up, half down. It's really soft. It's not tangling, so I like that. You know, like this. And put a band like that. You know. and just clip it like this. You can have it like that, and you know, you can do different things with this hair, but I just wanted you guys to see what it looks like. Very easy to use. It's really soft, you know, it's not tight. Even though the headband is on my hair, it's still not tight. I feel really comfortable. So yeah, I like this hair. I love it. If you guys need something like this, then guys, do check them out. hergivenhair.com. Is it .com or .co or UK? .com. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you love the wig as much as I do. If you do, then give this video a thumbs up, and if you don't, then please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I know you guys love it anyway, so yeah, subscribe to my channel and feel free to lick your screen. Okay, see you next time in my next video. Bye.